The rock is blasted straight up with an initial velocity of 160 feet per second. Its height, or position, is given by the function f of t, which is equal to 160t minus 16t squared. The question would be, how high does the rock go? We want to know that at its maximum height, it will stop for just a moment and then come back down. So we can say, how high does the rock go? Another way of thinking of it would be, when is the velocity equal to 0? When the velocity is equal to 0, it's going to stop and start falling down. So if we can figure out what that time is, that'll tell us the time at which it is at its maximum height. So we can just take our f function and find the derivative of it in order to get velocity. Velocity equals, looking up here, the derivative of that would be 160 minus, multiply the 2 times the 16 to get 32, and decrease the exponent by 1. So that is our velocity function. Set it equal to 0 to see when it's at its max height, at its peak. And we can just subtract 160 to the other side. Divide by negative 32, and that goes in exactly 5 times. So 5 seconds is how long it takes to reach its peak where the velocity becomes 0. And the question, though, is how high does it actually go? So we have to plug the 5 back into our f function. That was our more position in measuring the height. So the height would be 160 times 5 minus 16 times 5 squared. And we do that math, and we would get 400 feet. So that would be a maximum height, which occurred when the velocity was 0